Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Wallace Yarn Creations. Welcome. Today I'd like to show you some new shawls that make for good fall knitting. I have 4 designs that are different in size, shape, and technique, and I hope you see something you like. All the yarns are on our website, wallaceyarncreations.com. First up is a shawl called Bellarose. Bellarose, all written in one word, by Ambah O'Brien. It's simple pattern, mainly knitted in garter stitch on the bias. And then you have this beautiful lace edging to make things a little interesting. Fairly simple, mainly garter stitch. The colors we used are called MILAN. This is MILAN versions 1 and 2. You know that those are the same, just in reverse order. MILAN has sand, a tealish, silver gray, and a teal blue as colors. Very elegant color. And you need 2 skeins. These are 100-gram skeins, so you would need 2 of those. Color is called MILAN. And the pattern is called Bellarose by Ambah O'Brien. So pretty straightforward. This is a shawl that can be elegant or casual, depending what you wear it with. And it's the yarn and the colors that make it and bring it to life. You knit the lace border as you go along, and then the other border is added as you bind off. No sewing, it's all knitted. Simple yet pretty design. That's Bellarose by Ambah O'Brien. All the shawls I'm showing you today are knitted by my friend Biddy. Thank you, Biddy, for knitting these beautiful samples for us and helping me so much. Thank you so much. You're doing beautiful work. Next shawl is also by Ambah O'Brien, and I'm not affiliated with the designer. I just love her designs, and they work really well for our yarns. This one is called Tarny, T as in Tom, Tarny. Lovely big shape. This one combines 2 gradient colors in a solid contrast. It's a triangle. As I said, lovely big shape. And you see how the colors change because of the gradients. The colors we used look like this, and they look totally different than knitted up. One color is called Alloy. Alloy has silver, gold, and milk chocolate brown. Second color is called Psychedelic. Psychedelic has very light gray, bright lime, and a dark teal green. And those 2 are combined with peach as a solid contrast. Yes, I know those look very different in the skeins than knitted up. These are all 100-gram skeins, and you would need a set like that. We have kits for these 3 listed online. Of course, you can use any color, really some wild combinations, whatever you are in the mood for. And I'm always happy to take pictures of color pairings. It's sometimes difficult to envision how colors will look together. Just email me or contact me through the website, and I'm happy to pair them and send you some pictures. No problem. So we combined these 3 colors, Alloy, Psychedelic, and Peach, to knit this beauty. The pattern is called Tarny by Ambah O'Brien. And as you can see, you alternate the gradients to create stripes. And then you add the little bubbles in the solid contrast color. I love how the colors work together. And it's an easy pattern. It's all garter stitch. but the little bubbles make it interesting, and of course the colors. This is Tarny by Ambah O'Brien, knitted in Alloy, Psychedelic, and Peach as a contrast. Another pattern by Ambah O'Brien, and I'm not affiliated with her, I just love her patterns and how they work for our yarns. So this is a rectangle called Crazy Diamond Wrap. And you see where the pattern gets its name. You alternate mosaic stripes with solid color stripes. Knit on the bias. I love the shape and the size. Lovely design, and I think the colors look just so pretty. The colors in this case are Glasgow. Glasgow has 2 shades of gold and 2 shades of green. You need one skein of Glasgow, which is a 150-gram skein, combined with a 100-gram skein of natural for the contrast. So Glasgow and natural, and yes, you guessed it, we have kids listed. Glasgow and natural make this shawl. The pattern is called Crazy Diamond Wrap by Ambah O'Brien, and it looks way more difficult than it is. If you look at the diamonds, that is mosaic knitting, and you work with one color at a time. Looks more difficult than it is. And then you alternate the mosaic stripes with the one color stripes, which is a gradient yarn. Lovely pattern. And I think the colors are just stunning in this shawl. So that is Crazy Diamond Wrap, knitted in Glasgow and natural. This is how the yarns look. 150-gram skein of Glasgow and 100-gram skein of the natural. One more shawl to show you. This is called Cream Social by Lisa Ross. Also combining a gradient and a solid. I love the shape, the size, and the colors. Yeah, these are what I consider the typical fall colors, reminding me of the leaves. Colors in this case is 1 skein of St. Andrews. These are St. Andrews 1 and 2. You just need 1 skein. St. Andrews has a lovely rich red, gold, and brown. And we combined St. Andrews with natural. St. Andrews is a 150-gram skein, and then you need a 100-gram skein of the contrast. So St. Andrews and natural put together to make the Cream Social Shawl pattern by Lisa Ross. This one is a lot of lace. You have a little bit of garter stitch, but mainly it is lace. And then you alternate the gradient and the solid colors to create stripes. So Cream Social in St. Andrews and natural. Those were the shawls I wanted to share with you today. Hope you saw something you like, get some inspiration. All the yarns and kits are on our website, wallaceyarncreations.com. And while you're on the website, please also sign up for our newsletter. I send out a newsletter every 10 days or 2 weeks to tell you about new color releases, fiber festivals, or videos like this one, so I will not spam you. Thank you for watching today. Happy knitting.